Good afternoon, everyone. Today I thought of doing partial factorization and complete factorization of algebraic expressions. So far we've learned how to factorize algebraic expressions, but there are two ways of factorizing such. Out of these, the more accurate method is complete factorization. Let me explain how to do partial factorization as well as full factorization. Okay, let's begin. Under factorization, our subtopic is complete factorization and the partial factorization. Complete factorization and the partial factorization. Okay, take a look at this this sum. Okay, where there are 4x coins and 8y coins. There are two ways of grouping these two types. One is dividing it into two groups, such as 2x's and 4i's. This is the first way. Second case is we can divide these two types of coins into four parts. Okay, four groups, like 1x and 2i's. X. Okay, so what I want to say is the highest number of groups, if we can divide these two types into highest number of groups, that is the most accurate way of factorization. Most accurate way of grouping. So here it is 4x plus 8y. We can make 4x plus 8y as in the first method. We can make it into two groups where it is as 2 times 2x plus 4y. Two groups. First and second. First group has 2x's and 4i's. Second also has 2x's and 4i's. So there are two types of 2x's and 4i's. And here in the second method, there are four types of x plus 2y. In each group there is an x and 2y's. Here also x and 2y's. Here also x and 2y's. So likewise, there are four types of x and 2y's. X number of coins and 2y number of coins. So the better method of factorizing is 4 times x plus 2y. That means if the number of groups are more, that means that is the most correct method. So this grouping or the way of complete factorization, what we have to find out of these two terms is highest common factor. Okay, so 4x and 8y, there are two common factors. One is 2 and one is 4. Out of these, the highest common factor is 4. Okay. I know you can't recall and remember what highest common factor is. Now let me recall and remember what highest common factor. Okay, let me give you a sum on highest common factor, couple of sums on highest common factor. Then you will understand this even better. Okay, first sum. Suppose you are asked to find the HCF or highest common factor of 12 and 18. So what we have to do is we have to find the factors of these. There are two methods. I'm going to find the factors. Okay. 12 can be written as 1 times 12, 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Same as 18 can be written as product of 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6 and that's it. So the factors of 18 means 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors means the numbers that can be divided, that can divide the given number by without a remainder. Okay, such numbers are called factors. So 1, we can divide 18 by 1 without a remainder, 18 by itself without a remainder, 18 by 2 without a remainder, 18 by 9 without a remainder, 18 by 3 without a remainder, and also 18 by 6 without a remainder. So these are what the factors where there is no remainder when we divide a certain figure. Now we will check the common factors. Okay, 12, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 18, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Here 1 is a common factor. 2 also is a common factor. 3 is also a common factor. And 6 is also a common factor. Out of these factors, 6 is the greatest factor. So this is the HCF. So we can divide 12 and 18 into 6 groups. We can divide 12 and 18 into 6 groups, and that is the most number of groups we can divide 12 and 18 into. So HCF is 6. There is a better method as well, but I taught you this method. Otherwise, you didn't realize what I have done in the previous sum. Okay, next. Okay, next sum also I'm going to do in this fashion. This is a word problem. Second question. Second question, it says there are 24 ladies, or there are 20 gents, and 24 ladies in a gathering. Okay, and it is also said they should be grouped. They should be grouped so that there are equal number of gents and equal number of ladies. Okay, first part it is said, find the most number of groups or maximum number of groups where we can divide both these to 20 gents and 24 ladies into the maximum number of groups. So what we have to do is we have to find HCF of 20 and 24, because we want to find the maximum number of groups where we can group 20 gents and 24 ladies. Okay. Okay, I'll try the famous method here, 20 and 24. I'm going to factorize, try and factorize both these numbers. 20 by 2, which is 10, 10 by 2, 5, 5 by 5, 1. Okay, we divide 20 by 2 here. 2 is the least prime number. And 10 also divisible by 2. Once we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. But we can't divide it by 3. Neither 2 nor 3, because 5 itself is a prime number. That is why. So when we can't divide 5 by 2 or 3, what we have to do is we have to go to the next prime number, which is 5. So 5 is divisible by 5 itself, so it is 1. Same as 24 by 2, 12. 2 is 6. 2 is 3. 3 can't be divided by 2. So next prime factor is 3. So it will be 1. So 20 can be written like 2 times 5. 24 can be written like 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 is common, there's another 2 is common. So HCF is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So maximum number of groups we can divide 20 gents and 24 ladies are 4 groups. Second part, they ask how many gents and how many ladies are there in each group. Okay, we know the maximum number of group we can make for these gents and ladies by 4. So when HCF for the number of group, the maximum number of group is 4, the number of gents in each group means we have to divide, we have to find the other number that can be multiplied by 4. HCF is 4, so the number of gents in 20 in each group means 5. Or we can say we can divide 20 by highest common factor. So the number of gents in each group is 5. This is gents. So ladies means you have to divide 24 by 4. So the number of ladies in each group means 6. So we can divide 4 rows into 5 ladies and 6 gents. 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 This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group, and this is the fourth group. Highest common factor or number of total number of factors. The biggest factor is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Each group has 5 ladies and 6 gents. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much.